Welcome to Crewe Seat. Today we have a Seat Alhambra FR line 2 litre TDI 184 PS finished in Indium grey. Features on the car include daytime running lamps, front parking sensors and front fog lights, 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. This model also benefits from the panoramic glass roof and the chrome roof rails, where carrier bars can be attached to add accessories like roof boxes. There's also privacy glass on the car, which helps to reduce interior temperatures on a hot day. The rear of the car, it's a reverse camera, parking sensors, and the tailgate is electric. Inside, the third row can be used to carry 2 more passengers, or you can have it completely flat for extra storage. Both side doors are electric. There's a factory option on the second row of seats. It has the child integrated seats, which can be put back to normal, and the headrest can be changed for the normal one. Four electric windows, electric heated mirrors that fold in, automatic lights, electric front seats with memory position. It's also cruise control. The car's covered just over 5,000 miles. Has a large touchscreen media display with DAB radio, Bluetooth streaming, hands-free calls, satellite navigation as well. Dual climate control with heated front seats. There's also storage at the front, hill hold facility, and an armrest with an extra 12-volt power source, USB and 3.5mm auxiliary. If you'd like more information on this car, please contact Patrick here at Crewe Seat. The number is 01270 50 70 40. Thanks for watching.